Ford Ecosport battery replacement. Start by removing this ECU from the top of the battery. We've got two 10mm nuts and this 8mm bolt here. You'll probably want a magnet handy to get the nuts out without dropping them. So just get the ECU as far out of the way as you need to, and then as the bracket for the ECU also doubled as the securing bracket for the battery, there's nothing else to remove to loosen the battery. We've just got two 10mm nuts on the terminals. Remove the negative first because you can't short out the negative to the body. So say a spanner from the nut goes to the body, it won't short anything out, and once the negative lead is disconnected, it's safe to work on the positive lead without anything shorting. And obviously when refitting the battery, refit the positive first and then the negative last. So new battery. Battery terminals don't need to be that tight, they just need to be fitted correctly. They can be as low as 8 Newton meters, which is next to nothing. So replace the nuts and bolts on the ECU. While tightening the right hand nut, push the side of the battery compartment in. Job done.